Hey everybody, today's quick tip is about this item right up here, which is your attendance extension that some of you might have added. I'm just taking some time to explain some things so you could probably set it up better for yourself. So I'm going to get rid of my ugly mug. Bye bye. And let's get into this. So this window is going to pop up kind of quickly. It is going to disappear as time goes by. What you want to try to do is you go all the way down to the bottom and you click on the settings to tweak settings. There's a small little draggable area here to kind of make it bigger for yourself if you want to. But really, what you want to do is make sure you grab this settings section, tweak your settings. When I go in there, what you should have checked off is auto save the HTML file. The reason being is because when you're done, it'll download to your computer on a desktop. It'll be on the left hand side. You can click on it, open it up in the browser. On a Chromebook, it'll be on the right hand side in the folders, or you just go to the folder right here and you'll see it. I'll open one up and you'll see it'll say class, it'll say HTML right up here once it loads up. See that? That's my class list. I'm not opening one up because I can't show you students. Many of you have CSV files, and that's the spreadsheet that some of you are not liking the way it looks. So make sure it's HTML file. If you don't want the window to disappear a little bit, the default is 10 seconds. Maybe make it a little bit longer so that you can see a little bit longer. That's fine. But the big thing is that now you could sort names by. And I have sort names by last. And the reason being is because it's the best way to kind of look at like it's an attendance sheet for PowerSchool. The default is none, which is why it's just a jumble. Another reason why people are a little bit annoyed. So what you do is make sure it's the HTML file. You could load the window up so it takes a little bit longer, and then make sure you click last so the names are going to show up exactly like you want to take attendance at the end of the day. And remember, when you shut the Meet down, you're going to get the HTML file. And you'll either click on it in the lower left for a desktop, or you'll find it in the lower right on a Chromebook.